Apart from just reading, reading and writing are two different ball games altogether. So once you've gone through the material, as I said, go through previous year papers, start writing. Starting writing is very important. Just don't wait ki, acha, I'm still not good enough. Once you've completed the syllabus, try to look at question papers and just start writing, and you'll gradually get better. How will you get better? You won't just get better by keeping on writing and not evaluating yourself. Evaluate yourself. If you're joining a test series, do that. Apart from the test series also, what you can do is, if you're in a group of similar minded people, you can peer review your answers. Thirdly, what you can do is you can go through toppers answer sheets, and that I think is also quite important. Sometimes you don't know what's going wrong, and how can you figure out what you're not going wrong is when you look at people who've got good marks. And say, for example, 4 people have got really good marks in ethics. You can look at all 4 of their answer copies and see what works out for you best. There is something that they must have probably done better. So even if you can take 2 things and try to make them your own, try to incorporate them in your answer writing, over a period of time, I think it will get better. Certain model answers you can also probably make. Often coaching institutes give those model answers. So all of that, I think a combination of everything works.